In this video, we will explore how to set up and manage group trips within Travefy. There's a few different methods of doing this, so let's take a look at the first method, which involves tagging. To do so, I'm going to select an itinerary I've already started on and select the Edit option. From here, it takes us right into the itinerary builder, and if we navigate to day 2, you'll notice I have 2 activities which are starting at the same time. For this itinerary, I have 2 clients who are on this, and they both have chosen which activity they would like to do. To make sure they don't get confused and go to the wrong activity, I want to make sure they only see their corresponding events. To get started with tagging, we'll select the More option up at the top, and then select People. From here, there's 2 ways of adding contacts to your itinerary. You can bulk import your contacts using a spreadsheet. Just make sure it's set up with the last name, first name, and email as columns in this order before uploading it. Otherwise, you can select Add a Contact. Add in their full name and email, and that will add their information in as well. If they're a contact that's already existing in your account, all you need to do is start to type in their first name or email, and their name should populate. For this example, let's select Jane Smith. Once all of your contacts have been added, we can get out of here and we'll start tagging. To start tagging, select the pencil icon on the event that you want only a specific client or clients to see, and scroll towards the bottom. You'll notice a People section and select only specific people. From here, I'm going to type in the name of the contact that I want to see this event, which is going to be Cynthia for right now, before selecting out of here. You can see that Cynthia now has been tagged to this event. If you need to bulk tag someone or you're working with a larger group of people, one way that you can go about this is by selecting the collapse button up at the top of the day, selecting the events you want to tag, clicking the 3 dots, and tagging the people that you want to see these corresponding events. For this, I'll say that Jane will be here. Let's go ahead and save our tags. And when I select Done, and I'll go back to expand mode, you can see those tags have been added. To see what the clients are seeing, you can select the preview option, and as the travel professional, you'll be able to see the viewing statuses. Up at the top left, we'll click into those viewing statuses, and if I want to see what Cynthia sees, I'll select Cynthia's name. And if I go right down to day 2, you'll notice that she has the Apple Temple facial, but she's not seeing that restaurant reservation or the other activity. To make sure Jane's seeing what she's supposed to see, I can select Jane's name, and you'll notice that activity has changed for her, and she has that dinner reservation. Now, another way that you can handle group trips aside from tagging is by making a copy of a template. Let's go back to the trips view right within here. And if you're working again with a larger group of people and there might be quite a few differences between the itineraries, but still a lot of general information, this is a great method for you. What you can do is select the 3 dots on the itinerary you want to make a copy of, and select Duplicate within this trip. By doing so, it's going to make a copy. And from here, we can title this differently. So this perhaps can be Group A. Whether they're arriving early, or they're extending their stay, or there's quite a few differences within the actual content, this is a really great method to handle everything, but still see all of the trip items within one central location. You can still utilize tagging and use it as a partner to handle all of your groups, but those are a few of the different methods that you can use to handle your group trips efficiently within Travefy. If you have any questions at all, make sure to chat us or email us at professional@travefy.com. But thanks so much for watching, and make sure to check out the rest of our Getting Started video guides.